Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to stop the screen recording on Mac. Let's say suppose you are already screen recording or you want to start a screen record, then you can press this Command Shift 5 and this will open the screen recording toolbar where you can just configure according to your needs, and then you can just click on record button and it will start recording. Now this is how you can start the recording. However, if you want to stop the recording, which is the main motive of this video, what you can do is you can check out this menu bar at the top, and here in the menu bar you would be able to see this radio button at the top that you can click on it and it will automatically stop the recording. Alternatively, if you are using QuickTime Player for recording the screen, so it will open up the same toolbar, and if you have start recording the screen using the QuickTime Player or using the screenshotting toolbar, you can also use the keyboard command, which is Command Control and Escape, which will automatically stop the recording. You can either use the radio button in the menu bar or you can use the keyboard command, which is Command Control Escape, which would stop the recording. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.